A common error that we see with a lot of our clients is related to Paperless Office. Our customers often see an error when they're printing that might say error code 30, or it could just be an error that says PDF can't be created. We've noticed lately that this can sometimes be related to Windows security updates, and because of that, I'd like to show you a quick way to try and fix these errors on your own. So the first thing that we're going to do is in our Sage software, we're coming to File, Run, and we're going to type in this PL _ advanced options _ UI. Once you've typed this in, when we click OK, it's going to bring us to a menu screen. These Paperless Office advanced options come with whatever company for you, and they're throughout the whole company. So it doesn't matter which company code you're in Sage. The first thing to check is make sure that these two checkboxes at the top are unchecked. That is very important, that using the lock file and automatically install converter are unchecked. I'm going to go ahead and save that in place here. And then we're going to come back in File, Run, PL _ advanced options _ UI. The first thing that you can do is test your converter. When we click Test Converter, it's going to prompt us and say, we're going to test and see if we get an error. And actually, interestingly, I got one. Printer not activated, error code 30. So this is exactly the type of thing that we're trying to fix. We're going to click OK. It's going to exit us out of this advanced options. So we're going to go back in again. What we want to do first is go ahead and click Uninstall Converter. This is going to uninstall the PDF converter for you. And then once that's complete, all we have to do is click Install Converter. This is going to create the PDF converter printer object. And once that is done, we can go ahead and test again. This time, we can see that it did create and properly do the PDF converter. There is one last thing that I like to check, and that's under your printers. So here under our printers, I'm going to come to the Sage 100 PDF converter, and we're going to manage this device. We're going to open up the printer properties, and we're going to check two things. First, we're going to come to the Ports tab. Under the Port tab, we should always have our PDF converter on our own port instead of using this null port. So very simple, we're going to add port. It's going to be a local port, and we're just going to call it Sage. Once we close this out, we can see that when we click Apply, it is going to assign the Sage 100 PDF converter to the Sage port. The other thing that we want to check in here is our security. We just want to make sure that everyone has access to this. And that should help you solve any of your Sage 100 PDF converter issues, at least some of the easy ones.